So there's a pretty big iPhone that Apple is going to be making probably in the next few years, and it is a secret project I'm sure that they're going to be developing, but every so often we get a new leak, we get some new rumors, and we kind of get a date of when Apple could essentially make this newer type of iPhone. Now, what is the secret iPhone? Well, it's pretty much their first foldable device that they're pretty much ever going to make. So we look at the marketplace right now, and there are many different foldable phones available. There's the Galaxies, the Z Flip, and the Galaxy Z Fold, which I love. Those are very, very good phones. I like them a lot. We have a lot of other foldable phones from a lot of different manufacturers. Google is also going to be making their own foldable phone very soon as well. But Apple knows that in order to actually, I'm pretty sure to keep developing these types of products, they have to make products that people are excited about, that are different than their ones before. And I think Apple is kind of hitting a wall with their iPhone lineup. Although the iPhone 14 Pros are selling pretty well, their base models like the iPhone 14, the 13s, I think the 13 sold pretty well, but the 14 isn't really selling all that great. So I think Apple needs to go ahead and, interestingly enough, shift their focus from outside of this like mid-tier phone to either super expensive phones or super cheap phones like the iPhone SE. Well, not the SE, but a cheaper phone than that. That is, I think, where they can sell a ton of these products at. Now, they will not be able to sell a $2,000 iPhone 14 Pro flipping phone or whatever, like a folding phone, and expect to sell a ton of those units. But I think that would open the door for them to go ahead and start releasing a couple other products here and there that could be similar to that type of product, meaning they could go into start selling foldable iPads, maybe a foldable MacBook that is a complete screen. And I think a phone is a very easy way to get into that type of marketplace. So I do think very soon, probably in the next 2 years, that's not very soon, but sooner than later, Apple is probably going to start making some big moves that are going to be very obvious for us to see. Oh, they're making a foldable phone. And then probably I would say 2024, we could very well see a brand new iPhone lineup that's beyond their SE, that's beyond their base model phones, and beyond their Pro and Pro Max. And they may end up dropping a foldable iPhone on us, and I think that would be crazy. Could you imagine a big iPhone that's like a 7-inch or maybe 6-inch, probably like a 9 or 10-inch display at that point, that's squared off, that looks beautiful, very, very probably be similar to a Galaxy Z Fold or whatever. Could you imagine Apple dropping a phone like that? I think that would be amazing, and that would be a very smart thing for them to do, and it would make sense for them to go and increase that iPhone price tag. I hope they don't increase all the iPhone price tags, but I cannot wait for this product to come out. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.